There's a cute animal on the doorbell camera.
Great.
It looked like an absolutely adorable cat, meowing as if it were
Is this your
searching
house?
for its mother. But its
this
mother
your
had
house?
passed away. Thankfully,
Is this
the
your house,
homeowners
Pete?
took the cat in and gave it a new home.
Huh? Is this your house? I think so, huh? You want to get out?
Some thieves steal out of necessity, while others do it just for fun. But this guy? He's stealing hand sanitizer. Looks like he really cares about hygiene. A careless driver hit and ran after failing to see objects on the side of the road. But the real concern? He could have run over a person. She had gone outside with her dog, unaware of what was about to happen. Suddenly, a bat attacked the woman, and in a panic, she screamed and ran back to her house. 3 people are trying to open the door of a house, but they can't manage to get it open. They're wearing masks to hide their faces, but it's still pretty obvious who they are. If there's a forest or wooded area near your home, be cautious. Jackals usually run away when they see people, but if you have pets, they won't hesitate to attack and kill them. As he approached a house in his car, he tried to open the door of a vehicle and realized it wasn't locked. He got inside and tried to start the car, but when he heard a noise from outside, he got out and looked around. Suddenly, the homeowner yelled, and they quickly fled the scene. Late at night, the police were knocking on the door. Why were they knocking so late? Surely the homeowner must have been thinking the same thing we were. Imagine someone like this roaming around your neighborhood. This guy is a potential threat, right in the heart of danger. Do you have people like this in your neighborhood? If you go out at night and have been drinking, don't get in your car. Find a taxi or have a friend who hasn't been drinking drive you. Why risk driving like that? You could put someone's life in danger. At first glance, it might look like they're playing in the snow, but don't be mistaken. They're not playing with snow. They're fighting armed with guns in the middle of the street. I hope no one has been hurt. It looks like he saw something inside the mailbox and is trying to steal it. I wonder what's so important that he'd go to such lengths. This young man was struggling with the garage door, but when his tools weren't enough to break the lock, he got frustrated. In a fit of rage, he broke the window and ran away. He took a piece from the lock mechanism, but what exactly was it? If anyone knows, let's meet in the comments. There was an uninvited guest in the pool in the backyard, acting like it was his own. It doesn't seem like this guy has any ill intentions. Pay attention to the doors and windows of your homes, and make sure to check them before going to bed. If you don't want to experience situations like this, an uninvited guest could break into your home. This guy must have had some issue with the homeowner because he took a decoration hanging on the door and started hitting the door with it before leaving. Why did he do that? And what kind of problem could he have had with the homeowner? We usually watch package thieves on the doorbell camera, but this time, the thief got caught red-handed.
Anything else that you have in that bag? No. What are you doing? Should I call the cops on you? Unbelievable. And you're on camera, by the way. Asshole.
It seems like the people in this vehicle had used something, as they suddenly crashed into a parked car while driving. Then they hit a light pole, and that's how they finally stopped. After probably getting a bit of a shock, they quickly fled the scene. A suspicious man jumped over the fence into the backyard and stole some tools. Does anyone recognize this guy? These thieves saw the luxury car in front of the house and, with professional skill, started the car and drove away. After walking with his dog and heading back to his house, suddenly a car crashed into the trash bin and drove off. It hit a parked car and came to a stop, hitting the trash bin. I wonder what this guy was doing on the roof. Then he fell, but it seems like he wasn't hurt. Maybe he didn't feel it because of the shock of the moment. He probably doesn't have anything serious wrong. Careless driving has become extremely common, and this time they didn't see the tree and ended up flipping the car. We're getting tired of these package thieves. Make sure not to leave your packages sitting at the door for too long, or you might end up not finding your delivery at all. They've created something so amazing that we can actually see Santa Claus on New Year's. Don't you think that's pretty cool? They placed one of these inflatable minions in front of their house as a decoration, but someone passing by popped it and ran away. Why would anyone do that? What harm does it cause them?
You know how much my daughter cried because of that shit?